You know, guys, what I am eating right now? I think so. You don't know. So, I just want to show you what I am eating actually right now. So, you can see what is this? It's not a chicken leg, it's a duck leg. So, now I am eating this duck leg. So, I just grill this one and I put inside the oven for roast around 10 minutes, 220 degrees Celsius. Mm. You know, the taste is mm, like a smoke one, but it's okay, nice. You know, nice grill color as well as. Mm. Now I have been free, so it's time to eat because whole day I didn't eat anything. So because of that, I'm eating right now. Mhm. You know, I wear the glove as well. I don't want a dirt off my hand, so because of that, I wear this glove. Mhm. Nice. Too much fat fucking inside of this duck meat because you know the duck skin is too much oily, not oily, it's too much fatty. So because of that, this meat also getting a fatty and too much oil also, you know, coming up on the skin. You can see too much oil is coming up on the skin. Very less I put oil on the top of this duck leg because I know that because inside this naturally there is lots of oil fucking. So this is my dinner. It's a too much big meat because you know in the video it's looking like a very smaller, but it's a very big man. It's a very big leg. The duck, it's a two-time bigger from this fucking hen. Oh my god, I'm full now. I am full now, guys. Hmm. Bye.